So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin mare-recover ang ating GCash account. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open muna natin ang ating GCash application. So ayan guys, kung hindi nyo alam yung inyong password and gusto nyo ma-recover yung inyong GCash account kasi nga hindi nyo siya ma-open hanggat hindi nyo nilalagay yung inyong 4-digit passcode. So para ma-recover natin yung password ng ating GCash account, ang gagawin lang natin guys is mula dito, itatap natin yung forgot MPIN dito sa baba. So tap lang natin. Then after nyan guys, itatap naman natin dito is yung send code. So ito yung 2-step verification or 2-step authentication para ma-reset yung password ng ating GCash. So tap lang natin yung send code and may ma-receive tayo guys OTP code. So yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa blank spaces. So lagay lang natin dito once na may na-receive na tayong text message. So ayan guys, type lang natin yung code. Then, after nyo may i-type yung code, tap natin yung submit. So, ayan guys, mayroong facial verification or selfie verification para ma-identify na talagang sa atin yung account. So, ang gagawin lang natin is itatap natin yung next. And dito guys, magsa-selfie lang tayo. Ilagay lang natin yung ating muka dito sa circle. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nag-verify naman siya. And mula dito sa account recovery guys, ilalagay natin yung bagong PIN ng ating GCash. So, lagay lang natin yung PIN ng ating GCash. So, mag-create na kayo ng 4-digit PIN dito. And after yan guys, dito naman sa pangalawa is ganun din, i-re-retype nyo lang yung inyong bagong 4-digit PIN. Then, kapag okay na guys, nalagay nyo na yung new PIN and na-verify nyo na, tap na natin yung submit. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, reset MPIN successfully. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba natin mare-recover ang ating GCash account. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.